Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're preparing for exams right now, I want you to be very careful because there are so many mistakes that students make during examination preparation, and these mistakes can actually cause them bad grades. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 common mistakes students make during examination preparation and how you can avoid them. So let's get right into them. So the first mistake is cramming at the last minute. A lot of students wait till the night before the exam to start reading everything at once. But guess what? The brain is not a machine. It cannot store so much information in just a few hours. So that's why many people forget almost everything once they get into the examination hall. So the best way is to read a little every day and revise often. When exams comes, you will just be refreshing your memory instead of panicking. The second mistake is ignoring past questions. Many students read textbooks and notes but never touch past questions. Past questions are like secret weapon because exams follow a pattern. Some questions can often be repeated. They also show you how the examiners could say their questions. So after studying, always practice past questions. It is one of the smartest ways to prepare for exam. So the third mistake that students make is to study without a plan. Some students just open their books randomly and start reading anything. It wastes time and you feel confused because you are not following any structure. So the best way is for you to create a simple timetable. Okay, let's say for instance you can say from 2 to 3 p.m. I will do biology, and from 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. I will do maths. That way you know what you're reading and you will cover some topics easily. So the fourth mistake is neglecting rest and sleep. Some students just believe that reading all night means that they are hardworking. But the truth is, when your brain is tired, you won't understand much and you forget easily during the exam. Sleep is very important because it helps your brain to store what you learned. So don't just read, rest, take short breaks, and have enough sleep. So the number 5 mistake that student makes is comparing yourself with others. Many students panic when they see their friends reading faster or finishing more topics. They start to feel that they are not good enough, and that creates fear instead of focus. But the truth is that everyone learns differently. Some people understand quickly while others need more time. The most important thing is to focus on your own self and stick to your plan. Don't measure yourself with anybody. Here are the 5 mistakes students make while preparing for exam: cramming, ignoring past questions, studying without a plan, neglecting rest, and comparing themselves with others. If you want to pass your exams, avoid these 5 mistakes and study smart, not just hard. So now, let me know in the comment section which of these mistakes have you made before, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends who has exams coming up, and